How to make celery juice. Select your ingredients first, make sure they're organic, then prepare your ingredients by washing them. You take time to wash the celery, split them apart, and once they are washed, wash the cucumber since it was part of the ingredients. After that, you slice the cucumbers into quarts depending on the size of your juicer or blender. Next, after washing the celery and the juice, you now wash the apple. Make sure they are organic. Then you slice the apple into half or quarts depending on the size of your juicer or blender. And when I slice the apple into quarts, I take time to take out some of the seeds. Then I wash the lemon, and one thing in the lemon is that I take time to peel it, so I will make sure I get the most benefit out of the lemon, and this way I'll get especially the vitamin C that comes with the lemon, and the white part of it is also very healthy. So I peel it and I cut it into quarts again depending on the size of your juicer or your blender. Once that is done, you can get all the lemon, the celery, the cucumber, and lastly, I do not forget my ginger. I love ginger because of its anti-inflammatory properties, which is very good for your health and helps you to fight inflammation. Next, I will pack all my products, that is the cucumber, celery, the apple, the lemon, and the ginger. Prepare them. As you can see, they are all washed and sliced and prepped for juicing. The third stage is to blend or juice. I love this part because I enjoy the part of how you extract every juice from every vegetable or fruit or herbs that you want to add, and you can see the juice comes out so good. Depends on the size of your juicer, will determine the amount of juice you get from each of the ingredients, be it lemon or cucumber. And I usually use cucumber as part of my base so that I can now add other ingredients. It could be fruits, it could be vegetables, but I usually make sure I have the lemon and the ginger or turmeric, which is very calming and soothing for a stressful day. After juicing, I now strain it to remove some of the fiber and to make it very smooth. You can decide to drink it like that, but sometimes I strain it to make it smooth for me and for my taste. Once that is done, I stir it to make sure everything mixes well, and I pour it